if you were to contact us and you were facing an allegation of this nature, we would straight away contact the police if the police were already aware of this and let them know that we were going to be their main point of contact. That way you don't have to worry about the police contacting you, calling you, or coming knocking at your door. We will handle all of that. We'll also have a conversation with you. We'll meet you in person at a location where you feel the most comfortable, or online if that is easier for you. We'll go through all of your circumstances, get as much information as possible. Later on, the police might seek to interview you if you haven't already been interviewed. Of course, we'll provide representation. We'll secure disclosure from the police, and disclosure is information that the police can give us about the allegation, what they're going to interview about. We will discuss all of that, get prepared for the actual interview, answer any questions that you have, and we will also draft representations on your behalf to the police or the prosecution to really clearly outline what your side of the story is.